we have another case study. This was a property that was purchased at 1.25 million. It had a net income of $174,000 and a little bit of change. It was a cleanup. It was a lease renewal. It was adding value by giving tenants certainty. Now, so you've got to understand something. When I'm talking about adding value and offering a tenant a 3+3+3 term on their lease, the value is to the tenant, not the landlord. So in other words, if the landlord wants to get rid of their tenant, it's going to be very difficult. So it's giving the tenant certainty that they have got the premise for the next 3 to 9 years at their option. So the option is theirs. It's their choice. Now, there are a couple of things about this, because in this case study in particular, we had a couple of tenants that were selling their businesses, and they wanted to run their lease out to sell their business. When we sat down with them, we said, hey, if you're selling your business, put your feet in somebody else's shoes. If they come along and they want to buy the business, wouldn't it be better for them if they had certainty and security around the fact that the landlord's not going to kick them out?
Yeah.
So the best thing to do is to sign a 5-year lease. Give them that certainty. And that's exactly what happened in this case, where we got the existing tenants to sign longer term leases. And as a result, we had a massive uplift. And this property was reevaluated at 3.4 million. So it went from 1.250 to 3.4 million. That is a massive uplift. And that is a true example of working smartly with your tenant, with your building, and knowing how to do this in order to create that uplift.